Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you all the admin controls in ragdoll engine dance ragdoll update. So I'm going to be showing you, so let's get started. So first up, you're going to type in is this fly. Just gonna fly. Then if you want to unfly, I will show you. Just search unfly. Then you will unfly. But if you go too high, then you search unfly, you're gonna fall and you're gonna be ragdoll. Okay. So next thing you need to type in is core blocks, which is right here. I already have. Next one. So what are you gonna type in is this sparkles. Then you will get sparkles. But if you want to remove them, you do this. It's on sparkles. So you will not get sparkles. Next one. Okay, next you are gonna search VR, just this one. So your head will be big. Ta-da! And if you want to remove the VR, search on VR. VR. Well, make sure you have this thing right here. The one that you use with the some like this. Next one. So next one, you're gonna type in char. Then it will end up take like avatar changer, which is you need to copy someone's username. So yeah. So I'm gonna click, and as you can see, you are gonna type in someone's username, which is this is me. Confirm. Then you can change to any avatar you want, but as long as you copy someone's avatar, like search their name correctly, or you can change it to your normal avatar. So yes. Okay, so next one. So this is the last one, which is you need to search reset me. Then you will normally be reset like that. So thank you guys for watching this video, and hope you enjoyed this video. So you know all the admin commands. So which is yeah. And also I will be showing you a secret place that you can change your avatar. Let me show you. So follow where I go. So I know where it is because I have played this game for an year already. So yeah. So you can see, as you can see, it's right here where you can see this arrow over here. Then you will see new. Then you go inside. You're gonna go inside. Hold on, it's lagging. It's lagging, I think. So I guess I can't go in because I think it's actually lagging. So you guys, if it works on you, please I'm gonna like send a tutorial another tutorial for something crazy update comes. So yes, it's right here beside the beside here, like on the staircase, and it's right beside it, and you'll see a Roblox thingy. Then you can, as you can see, you will see an arrow. Then you can go inside. But if it's lagging, try to reset your avatar. Maybe it will work. So thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe before leaving this video. Bye!